Hey student, today we will learn about the name of cloth. Okay, so let's start. T-shirt, T-shirt. Pant, pant. Sweater, shirt, sweater, shirt. Half pant, half pant. Gloves, gloves. Sleeveless shirt, sleeveless shirt. Collared shirt, collared shirt. Suit, suit. Long sleeve t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt. Scarf, scarf. Socks, socks. Winter cap, winter cap. Mini skirt, mini skirt. Hoodie, hoodie. Cap, cap. Jacket, jacket. Blouse, blouse. Jeans, jeans. Gown, gown. Winter coat, winter coat. Belt, belt. Hat, hat. Hey students, subscribe us and click on the bell button to get every new video, and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.